Good morning, fam. Let's wake up and take a moment to center ourselves with a quick stretch routine that will leave you feeling refreshed and ready for the day. If you've been feeling a little slouched or your back and shoulders need a little love after hours of sitting or sleeping, this one's for you. It's time to reset your posture and activate your core. All you need is a mat or soft surface and the intention to show up for yourself this morning. Do this routine in your living room, bedroom, or even by a sunny window to soak in that morning energy. In just 5 minutes, we'll move through dynamic poses to awaken your spine, lengthen your muscles, and open your chest. I promise by the end of this routine, you'll feel taller, more aligned, and completely energized. Most people roll over and hit snooze, but not you. You're here, putting in the work. And that's what makes all the difference. Let's hit the mat. Let's start with the soothing wave of motion that is cat-cow. A simple yet powerful way to awaken your spine. Begin on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone toward the sky for cow pose. Exhale as you round your spine, tucking your chin and pelvis for cat pose. Flow gently between these two poses, syncing your movements with your breath. This stretch increases flexibility along your entire spine, stimulates your core, and melts away stiffness. I promise, by the end of this flow, you'll feel your back relaxed and your energy flowing. For beginners, keep your movements small and focus on your breathing. For advanced, hold each pose for an extra breath to deepen the stretch. Take one last inhale in cow pose, then exhale into a seated position for our next stretch. Now, let's gently stretch the back of your body with seated forward fold. Perfect for your hamstrings, lower back, and spine. Sit tall with your legs extended straight out in front of you. Inhale as you reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale as you hinge forward from your hips, reaching for your toes, or as far as your body allows. Let your head hang heavy and your back relax. This stretch releases tension in your lower back, lengthens your hamstrings, and calms your nervous system. I promise by the end, you'll feel lighter and more centered. For beginners, bend your knees slightly or use a strap to help you reach for your feet. For advanced, focus on keeping your spine long as you fold deeper. Slowly roll back up to a seated position and let's open up the chest next. Time to counteract all that forward hunching with a beautiful chest opener. It's like hitting the reset button for your posture. Stand or kneel tall, interlace your fingers behind your back and press your hands downward as you lift your chest toward the sky. Take deep breaths, feeling your chest expand and your shoulders draw back. This stretch combats the effects of sitting and slouching, improving your posture and creating space in your chest and shoulders. I promise you'll feel taller and more open. For beginners, use a towel or strap if clasping your hands feels too challenging. For advanced, deepen the stretch by slightly lifting your clasped hands behind you. Release your hands gently and let's move into some side body stretches to lengthen and awaken. Let's stretch through your side body with a graceful side bend on the right side. Stand tall or kneel comfortably. Raise your right arm overhead and gently reach toward the left, creating a long line from your fingertips to your hip. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your chest open. This movement creates space in your ribs and spine, improving mobility and releasing tension along your side. I promise you'll feel lighter and more aligned after this stretch. Rest your opposite hand on a support for balance if needed. Come back to center and let's open on the other side. Now, let's balance it out with a side bend on the left side. Raise your left arm overhead and gently reach toward the right. Feel the stretch from your hip all the way up through your fingertips. Breathe deeply, softening into the stretch. This final stretch brings symmetry to your posture, leaving you feeling balanced and refreshed. I promise you'll feel more mobile and at ease to take on the day. Use a support or keep the movement small if it feels too intense. Slowly return to center, standing or kneeling tall, and take a deep breath to close out our session. Fantastic work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've reset your posture, activated your core, and created space in your body for a strong start to the day. By showing up, you've already won the day. It's the small, consistent efforts like these that lead to big transformations. Next time you see that notification bell go off, just press play and never miss a session. And that can only happen if you subscribe to the channel. Make sure to share this routine with your friends to inspire them to move too. Don't forget to check the description for your free gift. It's a little surprise to help you level up your journey. You'll love it. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.